Hi guys, I'm here today to talk to you about creating game streams, why we create them over just a single game. If you're looking for creating funnels or other features like signing up, then I suggest you just check some of our other videos. We're going to be focusing entirely on game streams today. So once you've logged in, head over to the stream section. And those of you who have been through some of our other videos will know that the funnel builder here on the left, you can build that with AI. But today we're going to focus entirely on the streams and why we use them. So we created streams to allow our creators and clients to be able to create persistent connections into their apps, into their business, into their websites. The reason being that if I for example go in and create a game here, and when I get to the end and it asks me to share, each game actually generates its own unique code and persistent QR, right? So what that means then is if I went and embedded this, for example, in a if I went and embedded this in a website and I then wanted to change the game, the challenge would be that this is only one game, right? So this QR code is singular. I can change the artwork, I can change the visuals, but I can't change the game itself. So I wouldn't be able to update or change the functionality. Now, what game streams do is they actually create a connection which is actually the stream itself and not the game, right? So, for example, if I take this Daily Play Gachapon game stream, it has its own share and embed codes, which I can then embed in a website. So, for example, if I wanted to have a game where every time somebody logs into the app or logs into the website, a game pops up, but I want to be able to change that game so that there's a Christmas game, there's a Ramadan game, there's different seasonal games, and so on as it goes on through the year. This is actually where you would do that. So I would create a stream, and then I would actually change the games that are embedded within that stream itself. So if I go here and I go to manage games, what I can actually do here is you see the games that I've created. So I can add as many games and take away as many games as I like. So what it would mean is that I would only need to embed the stream once. I'd only need to ask my developer or my website manager one time to embed the stream, and then me as a marketer, I can go in there and edit and change the games as much as I like. I can even change the prizes. I can change the routing that it goes to. But the idea is that that persistent connection is always there in your app and in your website. Now, what it means is you can have as many as you like. So, for example, on the brand discovery, I've got two different streams here, and these can be different games. They can be the same games. We can even have different connections. So, for example, if I wanted to have some connected to one data source and others connected to another, I can do that there. Streams allow you the flexibility and also a lot of other features that we utilize in daily play, things like our social features, personalization, and as mentioned, the data connections. If you have any questions or queries as to how or why with the streams, or if there's any issues, then feel free to reach out. We're always adding more features to the streams, and we'll be showing you more about some of the social features as they come out. Thank you, guys.